Score number 41. Which key is used to edit the selected cell in Excel? Correct option is F2. Option C. Score number 42. Which of the following contains the control panel program in Start menu? Correct option is D. Settings. Score number 43. A network which is used for sharing data, software and hardware among several users owning microcomputers is called WAN, MAN, LAN, WAN. Correct option is C. LAN, local area network. Score number 44. In Excel, which key is used for format number in that format? Correct option is C. Control Shift 3. Score number 45. GIF stands for. Correct option is C. Graphic Interchangeable Format. Score number 46. Window key plus F. Correct option is C. Find files or folders. Score number 47. In Microsoft PowerPoint, material consisting of text and numbers is best presented as. Correct option is B. Table slide. Score number 48. The output received on the display screen or in the audio or video form is called. Correct option is B. Soft copy. Score number 49. In MS Word, for what does ruler help? Correct option is D. All of the above. Score number 50. What is the function of Control O in Microsoft Word? Correct option is D. Control O से हम अपने डॉक्यूमेंट्स को ओपन कर सकते हैं. Score number 51. Which of the following is not a type of page margin? Correct option is B. Center. पेज मार्जिन राइट, लेफ्ट, टॉप और बॉटम से होता है, सेंटर से नहीं होता. Score number 52. In Microsoft Word, the text boundary can be displayed or hidden from. Correct option is options from tools menu. Score number 53. Which option is not available in insert table autofit behavior in MS Word? Correct option is C. Autofit to columns. Score number 54. Using find command in MS Word, we can search. Correct option is D. फाइंड कमांड से हम सिंबल्स, फॉर्मेट्स और कैरेक्टर्स तीनों को फाइंड कर सकते हैं. Score number 55. You wished to justify text over the height of paper. Which option will you choose in MS Word? Correct option is option B. Page setup from file menu. Score number 56. In MS Word, on which toolbar can you find Format Painter tool? Correct option is D. Standard toolbar. Score number 57. From which menu you can insert header and footer in Microsoft Word? Correct option is D. Insert menu से हम header और footer लगा सकते हैं. Score number 58. What is the default font used in Microsoft Word document? Correct option is A. Times New Roman हमारे पास default font होता है Word file में. Score number 59. What is the function of Control O in Microsoft Word? Control O से हम अपने डॉक्यूमेंट्स को ओपन कर सकते हैं. ओपन डॉक्यूमेंट. Score number 60. Control Y shortcut key is used in Microsoft Word to repeat the last action. कंट्रोल वाई से हमारा लास्ट एक्शन हमारा रिपीट होता है जो हमने पीछे एक्शन परफॉर्म किया है। एमसीक्यू नंबर 61, कंट्रोल प्लस राइट एरो शॉर्टकट की यूज्ड इन एमएस वर्ड टू। करेक्ट ऑप्शन इज ए, moves the cursor one word right. MCQ number 62, before moving a subdocument to another location within a master document, you must switch to. Correct option is option B, outline view. MCQ number 63, which feature is used for monitoring all document changes? Correct option is C, track change. MCQ number 64, a wireless technology built in electronic gadgets used for exchanging data over short distances. Correct option is A, Bluetooth. ब्लूटूथ के जरिए हम अपने डाटा को शेयर कर सकते हैं शॉर्ट रेंज तक। MCQ number 65, in MS Word, what happened if you mark on a hidden check box of found dialog box after you select some text? Correct option is B, the text is hidden and you need to bring it by removing the checkbox if needed again. MCQ number 66, which of the following helps to reduce spelling error in the document? Correct option is option B, autocorrect. MCQ number 67, from where you can access save command in Microsoft Word. Correct option is D, none of above. Correct option is फाइल, हम MS Word के फाइल में से सेव अपने डॉक्यूमेंट को कर सकते हैं। MCQ number 68, to verify that the note text is positioned correctly on the page, switch to view or display the document in print view. Correct option is print layout. MCQ number 69, what is the default left margin in Word 2003 document? Correct option is option B, 1.25 मार्जिन हमारा लेफ्ट और राइट से होता है और टॉप और बॉटम से 1 मार्जिन होता है। MCQ number 70, in MS Word includes a series of predefined graphic called dash that can be inserted into a Word document. Correct option is A, clip art. MCQ number 71, which key deletes the character to the right of the cursor in MS Word? Correct option is D, delete. MCQ number 72, to exit from the resume wizard and return to the document window without creating a resume, click the dash button in any panel in the resume wizard dialog box. Correct option is D, finish. MCQ number 73, a dash is not attached to an edge of the Word window. That is, it displays in the middle of the Word window and can be moved anywhere in the window. Correct option is A, floating toolbar. MCQ number 74, Control J shortcut key is used in Microsoft Word to. Correct option is A, justify align. हमारे टेक्स्ट को जस्टिफाई करता है कंट्रोल J. MCQ number 75, which of the following is not essential component to perform a mail merge operation? Correct option is D, word fields. MCQ number 76, when you save a file as a web page, Word converts the content of the document into. Correct option is C, HTML. HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. MCQ number 77, although it is not shown in normal view, to view a header, click dash on the menu bar and then click header and footer. Correct option is A, view. MCQ number 78. By default, your document prints with. Correct option is D, all of above. हमारा डॉक्यूमेंट्स प्रिंट होता है टॉप और बॉटम से 1 इंच और लेफ्ट और राइट से 1.2 इंचेस के मार्जिन के साथ, और हमारा ओरिएंटेशन हमारा पोर्ट्रेट होता है। MCQ number 79. When typing in a word field manually, what must you press to insert the quotes bracket? Correct option is Control F9. MCQ number 80. What would you do when you want to update the data in an embedded worksheet range? Correct option is A. Double click the worksheet range object.